Imagine what if with your eye gaze and simple conversation, you are so influential that you can persuade others without their knowledge and get things done your favor? Imagine what if there is an untold and secretive practice to take control of yourself completely. What if you can handle people and take control of situations you come across? A very simple yet very effective practice which you can use to empower yourself. You can use to avoid unwanted argument with your spouse. You can use parenting your kids. You can use in conversation with friends, relatives, in your profession, in your business, and even with strangers. Ask yourself how long you wanna be controlled by people around you and situations you come across. How long you want to be controlled by your own thoughts. One single practice which can enhance positive qualities like focus, concentration, intuition, healing, and clarity about life. One single practice which can enhance your emotion like compassion, care, helpfulness, understanding, and so on. Get rid of bad habits and negative emotions like anger, sadness, guilt, limiting beliefs, etc. One single practice which can transform your whole life enjoyable, effective, effortless, and easy. From healing to manifestation, from material world to spiritual dimension, everything is covered logically and scientifically. Bonus: you are being introduced to one of the most powerful yet simple meditation. Within few seconds you are totally thoughtless, enjoying the bliss that you want to enjoy more and more. Welcome to the one-stop shop course. Call now 9650110360 join 15 days Mega Mind Mastery Hypnosis online course by international hypnosis mentor Magic Leo. Life could be different. You will use hypnosis anytime, anywhere.